Today is starting with a taxi ride to skip one of the most dangerous sections of highway in southern Spain. Even the locals, as well as foreigners who've experienced cycling along this route, recommend avoiding it at all costs. And there really aren't any local roads that connect through at all, so taxi it is, unfortunately. I'm going to head down to the taxi rank shortly to avoid the call-out fee to the hotel and see if I can get one of the cabs to take my bicycle and I beyond the dangerous section, and then I can continue from that village.
Taxi driver was great. The taxi fare, I think including the toll or something, cost like €36. I'll leave information in the description. And from here, it's back to the coast. This is pretty cool. It's an elevated sort of area in between the marina and the street. And the marina has some gorgeous boats. Started off at about 10 degrees Celsius this morning, but I feel like it's warmed up now to about 15. It's a beautiful day. I just stopped for a chat with a very experienced cycle touring chap who's been doing it for 3 years since retiring, and he gave me a suggestion for an app called maxi.cz, and it's from the Czech Republic, and it includes not only route suggestions but also wind direction and wind speeds, which is fantastic. So I'm going to give that a try tonight. Then, just as I was going again, I stopped and had a chat with my friend Sid. So I haven't made much progress, but I'm having a lovely day. Avocado on a fresh bread roll with cherry tomatoes from a bakery and a grocery store sitting by the beach, which is a good way to go. Just had a chat while riding along with Charlie, my gorgeous husband, and this is a nice fast run. Can't complain.
into what we both love. Back and forth.
We'll be driving down the state, yeah. Looking around for the next crowd, yeah. Going our own way, trying to find a new route, yeah. We'll be going in circles, trying to find a way, searching for